Students, I am JVN Nehal Mittal, and today I am going to teach you the scope for the lawyers who are in the world of corporate, who are working in the corporate world. What are the scopes of such advocates, of such lawyers? There are various national jurisdictions, and every national jurisdiction has a corporate law, has a company law, has law of business corporations. So, have you ever wondered about the common structure of law of business or corporations, or company law or corporate law that is occurring across the different national jurisdictions? So, business corporation have a fundamentally similar set of legal characteristics, and corporate law is the field of law that is concerning companies and business organizations. So, law has always been an attractive profession for lots of passionate people with good money in the industry. And now, because of the rise that is taking place in the companies in India, there is a huge demand for corporate law professionals in India. So, corporate law is a very powerful and a very versatile option in the field of law. And both the government and the private sector has ample of opportunities for a career in corporate law. And the demand of corporate lawyers is increasing day by day. So, a lawyer can choose any area of practice in corporate law and can excel at it. So, after pursuing a degree in corporate law, a lawyer can work at an MNC or at a law firm or at a assets management company. It can work in banks, insurance companies, and etc. Now, if we talk about the scope and the ambit of corporate law in India, so the corporate sector in India has witnessed a lot of growth in it, and there is immense growth happening at a very rapid speed. And currently, the corporate sector is the backbone of Indian economy, and it is contributing around 53% of Indian GDP. So, the career and growth opportunities in this sector are ample, and lot of opportunities are there, which is more and more young aspirants are adopting this profession, which is why now young aspirants are adopting this profession. Roles and responsibilities. So the corporate law is also referred to as the corporation law or company law. And in this, a corporate lawyer is the person who is responsible for managing business decisions in a legal way. And he's the person who will make sure that the company is not violating, and it does not violate any law, and the business progress with the legal limits. So everything that is happening in the business is within the legal limits. Also, a corporate lawyer is supposed to handle clients of the company who face any kind of legal charges with regard to business activities of the company. A corporate lawyer is also supposed to help the business firms with tax issues, employer relations, employee contracts, and employment laws. So, every organization which requires a corporate lawyer to conduct the business actions as guided by the legal system of India. So every organization need a corporate lawyer, so that all the business actions that are taken place by that company are within the legal system of India. So if you are passionate to pursue this corporate field as a career in your law profession, then choosing to be a corporate lawyer is something you can look forward to. And the corporate law is a specialized branch of law which you can pursue after completing class 12th or after graduation. And this course will give you endless opportunities to work with big name, big companies, big MNCs, and very prestigious law firms. Now, the scope that is there in corporate law is that corporate law is powerful and is a very versatile career option which has all the qualities to make it an outstanding career option. And both government and private sectors have plenty of job opportunities. In fact, you can get job opportunities in companies, in law firms, in banks, and many more places. Also, if you are interested in teaching field, you can choose to be a teacher or lecturer in various colleges and universities after completing your master's degree in corporation law. So uh, there are various opportunities. Now, if you talk about salary, then you can get hired by a business firm or a big MNC at a very good salary package. And the initial salary package, just like any other course, depends on your skills and the college from which you have completed the course. Also, the salary package depends on several factors such as the company, your skills, your work experience, the internships that you do. And in the beginning, you may not get a good five-figure salary, but as you gain more experience, you learn more, you get into the practice, you can easily afford all the luxuries of the life with your salary. So it is initially it is a bit struggling, but later on, with the experience and with the knowledge that you gain through the practice and the experience, it is you can climb milestones in it. And ambition is the first step to success, and the second step is action. So a law degree can take you to places, and the remarkable growth that is there in the business sector has also created a lot of new opportunities for the law professionals in the corporate world. And if you are looking to start a career as a law professional in a corporate sector, then this is the perfect time, because this is the emerging time of the business world, of the corporate world. That's all. Thank you so much.